One of the most prominent crimes that we've seen in the United States over the last 20 years is healthcare fraud. In fact, you may have seen news reports on the television or read about it in your newspaper and asked yourself, what exactly is healthcare fraud? Simply put, it's when an individual or a healthcare provider or a clinic or a hospital defrauds a benefits program like Medicare or Medicaid or TRICARE or a private insurer. And this is done in many different ways. One of the most common ways of committing healthcare fraud is overbilling. For example, a doctor provides an examination and a minor office procedure to a patient, yet bills the government benefit program like Medicare or the private insurer for medical services that were never rendered or were not medically necessary. Another way that healthcare fraud can be committed is by paying individuals to refer patients to a doctor or a clinic. This is called a kickback, and it renders everything that happens from that point forward fraudulent. When a doctor or a clinic or a healthcare provider renders services to an individual, those services have to be both medically necessary and they have to actually be provided. If those things don't occur, then the billing is considered to be fraudulent. The government has been enforcing healthcare fraud very strenuously for many years now and will continue to do so into the future because the money which is depriving individuals of proper health care and going to those individuals who commit fraud can better be used to provide those medically necessary services to individuals who need them. Healthcare fraud is a very, very serious crime. If you or someone you know are under investigation for healthcare fraud or have been charged with healthcare fraud, make sure that you contact a qualified, experienced criminal defense attorney to sit down and discuss with you or them all of their options and what can actually happen. The best protection you can get is a qualified, experienced healthcare defense attorney.